Hi everyone, welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today in this video, we'll explain how to clear search history on Firefox so you can remove past searches and protect your privacy while browsing. Step 1. Open Firefox and click the menu button with 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This opens the main menu where browser options are located. Step 2. Click History from the menu. This section contains your browsing activity. Step 3. Select Clear Recent History. A new window will open with history removal options. Step 4. Choose the time range you want to clear, such as last hour, today, or everything. This helps you control how much history is deleted. Step 5. Make sure browsing and download history is checked, then click Clear. Firefox will remove the selected browsing history. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and helpful Firefox tutorials.